From Halifax to Vancouver and cities in between, the EV Repair Tour, presented in partnership with Fix Network, was a cross-country event series created to prepare Canada's collision repair industry for the surging adoption of electric and low-emission vehicles. Hosted by Collision Repair Magazine, this unique hands-on tour brought together industry leaders, shop owners, suppliers, and technical educators to discuss the future of EV repair and workforce readiness. With a strong emphasis on experiential learning, innovation showcases, and networking, each event served as a dynamic platform to inform, engage, and equip attendees with the knowledge needed to navigate the evolving EV landscape. The tour featured evening speaker sessions with live demos, interactive learning, and industry networking, covering topics like EV repair readiness and safety protocols, infrastructure needs, workforce development, and the latest innovations in diagnostics and collision repair. Through on-site engagement and digital reach, each event welcomed around 100 industry stakeholders, with live-stream coverage expanding accessibility and driving hundreds of additional views. From coast to coast, participants reflected on the value of their experience at the EV Repair Tour. The EV Repair Tour was just the beginning. As the industry continues to evolve, so will the conversations, the training, and the technology. We're proud to help drive that evolution together. If your organization wants to be part of the national dialogue around the future of automotive service, we welcome the opportunity to connect.